Okay, I was quickly looking into the way to make data collection smoother within Softr apps, especially in cases where you have text input, number input, date input, single select, multi-select, and especially, yeah, when you want to have validation, for example, a number of character maximum, etc., or just within a simple database to also be able to display all the possible values. The way I could tackle that is by having in my database something like that. So question, description, type. So I have this taxonomy, and then a config JSON that's specific to each type of question. For example, for a single select, we'll be listing all the options. For a multi-select, we, for example, can also say, okay, you can maximum select 3 options, etc. And then I basically explain the whole taxonomy of these fields and the possible values to, in here, a vibe coding block in Softr. So I gave this kind of JSON of the config, etc. And it was able to create this where, let's say I input here a number and I can save the answer. If I want to completely clear the answer, I can clear it. Or if I had an answer that I saved, I can then go for another number and then revert to the previous number, and it also works in here, clearing. So that's yeah, super convenient. With a simple database, you can then, and by the way, because right now this vibe coding block doesn't have the create, the update, and the delete options, this will come very soon. I've actually configured and basically told my vibe coding block to send the payloads for each question with the answer to a software workflow that started with a webhook. So it was able to, yeah, to send the values to this column. So this is, yeah, I think a very quick and simple way to have a quite an advanced interface right here to handle data collection at scale, 1 line per question per company if you're collecting that for many companies, or also per year if you add a layer, so you can repeat that over time. And yeah, hope this is useful.